Lunchtime. We are trying what we think is a Korean restaurant. Let's check out the menu. This is how it looks like inside. And the menu. You get to choose here. You can have 2 side dishes and 1 drink and rice. Let's order. And our main dish is the pork bibimbap. Can you hear it sizzling? That's while waiting for our order, we got rice and a side dish. Tofu or egg. And of course, more. For 180, we got our pork bibimbap, soft drinks, and 2 side dishes. Let's eat.